Welcome back. You guys know what channel this is. Today is June 1st, 2022. Today, this video is about referring a friend, statement credits, and bonus points. First, let's start with Discover. If you invite a friend with a link, you can invite them via email, Facebook, Twitter, or you can text the link to them. If they join, apply for the credit card, and get approved, and make a purchase, that's right, one purchase within the first 3 months of opening their credit card, they will receive $100, and so will you, of a statement credit. The purchase does not have to be for a certain amount, and it also does not have to fall under a certain category. There are just a few things to remember. Number one, make sure no matter what credit card it is, that it is unlocked, or in this case with Discover, that you unfreeze your credit card. Number two, let them know what the name of the credit card is that you send them the link for. Okay, because Discover, it is specific to the credit card that you used to refer that person. In the description box below, also in the comments, I will pin my comments. I'm going to include 2 links. I will make sure that in parentheses that I put which Discover credit card it is for. Right now, currently, Discover has boosted up my statement credit from $50 to $100 for the Discover IT Cashback card. So that was a nice surprise today when I logged in. Now, my Discover IT Miles card, the statement credit was already $100. Again, I will make sure that I put which Discover card it is in parentheses by the link. Also, at the bottom, when you log in, you go to Rewards, and then refer a friend, and then scroll to the bottom of the page and make sure that you read the rest of the terms. There's only a few other things that you need to know. There are a few things that I want to point out at the bottom because I think that this is just across the board for anybody. So number one, I noticed that at the bottom that I have a deadline of December 31st, 2022. Okay, so if you want to apply for a Discover card, between the 2 links that I will provide below, make sure that you apply before December 31st. Also, it says that there's a maximum of $500 in referral rewards per calendar year. You are not eligible to refer a friend if you have a Discover IT secured credit card or Discover IT business card. Your account must be in good standing to receive your referral rewards. Okay, so now let's go on over to the next credit card. Next on the list is Chase Southwest Rapid Rewards Plus credit card. The first guideline is that if you want to refer a friend, you must have this credit card. Now, yes, if you have other different types of Chase credit cards, you can refer a friend. Just check and see if you have that option in your account. Okay, so I'll go ahead and just read the bottom of the page because it's really easy for this card. And then I'll tell you what you don't see here on the page. So first it says refer friends. If you already have a Southwest Rapid Rewards credit card, earn up to 100,000 bonus points per year. You can earn 20,000 bonus points for each friend or business that gets approved for any card when you click the button. And the button says refer friends now, and then it'll direct you to the sign in page. You sign in, and then you go to the refer a friend section. Now, so far as I know, from what I was told yesterday by an actual Chase representative, you can only refer a person via email. So make sure you have their email. Now, what I will do today, I will find out if you actually can take the link and post it on Facebook or in a text message. But like I said, so far as I know right now, it's just via email. Now, what do you get when you refer the person? Number one, yes, it said that you get 20,000 bonus points no matter what credit card the friend or business gets approved for. However, if they want to receive one of these two offers, they have to apply for the Chase Southwest Rapid Rewards Plus credit card. They will either receive, depending on what they choose, a $200 statement credit if they are approved. They do not have to make a purchase. This is whether they make a purchase or not. In addition, they will also receive 10,000 bonus points if they spend $500 within the first 3 months of opening their credit card. The other option they have is to receive 40,000 points, but they have to spend $1,000 within 3 months. And they need to make sure that they keep in mind that if they choose this option, they will not receive the $200 statement credit. You receive the 20,000 bonus points at the end of your current billing cycle after they're approved, and they will receive, if they choose to receive the $200 statement credit, they will receive that by the end of their first billing cycle. If they choose the second option, I highly advise you guys to encourage them to put everything that they can on their credit card, their bills, their groceries, the gas for their car. Okay, it will add up. They will be able to reach that $1,000 in 3 months. Now, let me show you what the points are worth. No matter what credit card you're using, this is how you convert your miles, points, cashback into the dollar amount. Okay, so let me clear my calendar out here and let's start with what you receive. So you receive 20,000 bonus points. You divide it by 100. That equals 200, and then you add the dollar sign. So your 20,000 points is worth $200. Remember the additional 10,000 bonus points if they choose that first option? They divide that by 100. That equals 100. They add the dollar sign in front. That's an additional $100. But remember, they have to spend $500 within the first 3 months to receive this additional $100. If they choose the second option, which is receiving 40,000 points if they spend $1,000 in 3 months, you divide that by 100. That equals $400. So that is how you calculate across the board. It doesn't matter what credit card company you have. With Capital One, they have a unique feature. I just want to show you guys this before we go to the credit cards page. They actually invite you to see if you're pre-approved. That way, you don't actually have a hard inquiry on your credit. Okay, so if you want to, you can click that link and see if you're pre-approved. Each Capital One credit card has a lot to offer, but I want to focus on 2 of them today. The first one is Venture One. If you spend $500 on purchases within the first 3 months from account opening, you receive 20,000 bonus miles. Again, remember, you take the 20,000 divided by 100, that equals $200. This card also has no annual fee. Okay, so once you're approved, don't forget about your 20,000 bonus miles. The next card is Quicksilver Rewards. If you spend $500 on purchases within 3 months from account opening, you will earn a one-time $200 cash bonus. Okay, you should see that either by the end of that current billing cycle or maybe by the next billing cycle. You guys remember, a billing cycle is 30 days. When you redeem your points or your miles, whatever you earn with whichever credit card you have, sometimes your points or miles are worth more depending on how you choose to redeem them. I am logged into my Chase Sapphire Reserve credit card. I have a total of 25,458 points. Now I take that amount divided by 100, and under certain circumstances, my points will be worth $254.58. However, if I redeem my points for travel, whether it's for an airline ticket, car rental, hotel rental, my points are worth 50% more. So the number to the right, the $381.87, how did they get that? First, they calculate what your points are worth. Then they add on however much more they're going to give you. Like I said, in this case, it's 50%. So you divide that in half. And then you add back your initial value of your points, okay, your dollar value. So I would add back $254.58, and that is how they got the $381.87. Some credit cards will give you your full point value, which would be 100% value of your points or miles. Then they will also give you, like I said, an additional 25%. So you just find out what is 25% of my points, and then I add that to my points. Some credit cards, it's more. Okay, so you guys just keep in mind that you can stack all of this together. Okay, and I will give you an example. So say you fly a lot with Southwest. Number one, first and foremost, sign up with them. Go to their airline website. It's southwest.com. It's free. Sign up. Now, make sure that you are logged in when you book your flights, and your points will just add up quickly. Now, you use your credit card that has the points or miles, and you combine that with the points that you will receive from Southwest. That is the quickest and easiest way to knock down the price of your airline tickets or hotel stays or anything. Okay, just remember they all add up together. Also, don't forget, what's the first rule? Rakuten. Make sure you sign into Rakuten. Search for the airline, or if it's hotels.com, Expedia, whatever travel agency it is, or whatever they fall under, okay, whatever classification they would be considered, credit card company, like I said, travel company. Once you find their page, you click Shop Now, or Shop Now without adding if you did not add the Rakuten extension to your account. It will direct you to their page. Then you log into that account to make sure that you get the points from that company. When you're on the cart page, okay, your shopping cart page, if Capital One Shopping does not pop up, remember, you click the S in the upper right corner. That is the extension for CapitalOneShopping.com, and you activate your cash back. Then you go to checkout. Okay, so yes, even if you are purchasing for travel, you want to make sure that you follow those steps. Stack up your discounts, your rewards, your bonus points. And you guys, that's it. That is how you can save a lot of money. I want to thank you for watching Upfront and Honest Reviews. As always, have a great day.